What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your iPhone is not connecting to your Wi-Fi network or if it keeps disconnecting. First, you should double check that Wi-Fi is enabled on your iPhone and that you can see your network. Head to your settings, select Wi-Fi and make sure the Wi-Fi toggle is turned on. Once you see the name of your network, tap on it to join. You'll know you're connected when you see a blue tick next to the network name. When tapping on the eye icon next to your Wi-Fi network, you will find some additional settings. For example, you might want to enable auto join if it's your home network, ensuring that your phone automatically connects whenever you're in range. Also, look out for the low data mode option, which is usually disabled by default. If you see a proxy configuration setting enabled and you don't actually need a proxy, then disable it to see if this resolves the connection issue. If you are prompted for your Wi-Fi password, make sure to enter it correctly. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can help reconnect your network. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to access the control center, and then tap on the turn off icon on the right to power off your iPhone. After it's off, press and hold the power button to turn it back on. This can help reset your network connection and fix some basic Wi-Fi issues. In case the problem persists, you can also reset your network settings by heading to your settings, selecting General, and then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and finally Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings to clear your current network configurations. Lastly, make sure that your Wi-Fi router is turned on and that you're not too far away from it. If you're out of range, your phone won't be able to maintain a stable connection. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.